Last episode, we froze one trained model into a single artifact you could hand to a colleague, but you never trained just one model, you trained 40, tweaking a knob each time. So, where do all those numbers go? Right now, they probably go into your head, or a notes file, or a spreadsheet you swear you'll keep current. You won't. By run 30, you can't remember whether the good F1 came from the depth 8 tree or the depth 12 one, and you rerun everything to find out. Every experiment produces the same 4 things: the settings you chose going in, the parameters, the scores that came out, the metrics, the files it generated, the artifacts, and a moment in time it all happened. MLflow's job is to catch those 4 automatically every single run. You wrap your training code in one context manager, start run, and inside it you call log param, log metric, log artifact. That's it. Each call writes to a local tracking store, a plain folder on disk, and stamps the run with a unique ID. No server, no cloud account, nothing to spin up. Then comes the part that pays the rent. Search runs reads that store back and returns a pandas data frame, 1 row per run, 1 column per parameter and metric. Sort by F1, take the top row, and you're holding your best experiment. The spreadsheet is gone for good. Here's a program that runs the whole thing offline. We point MLflow at a local folder, sweep a random forest across 4 tree depths on a seeded dataset, log each run, then ask the store which one won, and we assert the answer matches. Up top, MLflow.setTrackingURI URI with a file. Path pins everything to a local directory called milruns, no remote server in the loop. Set experiment names the bucket these runs land in. We seed numpy and the data split so every depth sees the identical train and test rows. Inside the loop with MLflow, start, run, name, opens a run. We log param, max depth, D, for the setting, fit the forest, then log metric the accuracy, and the F1 we measured. One run, all 4 things captured. We also write a tiny text report to disk and hand it to log artifact, so the file rides along with the run, not just numbers, the actual output. After the loop, MLflow.search runs pulls every run back as a data frame, and we sort it by metrics.f1 descending. Run it. 4 runs log in sequence. Then the data frame prints. Depth 8 tops the table with an F1 of 0.836. Depth 4 trails at 0.781. The best run ID is printed, and the final assert confirms the depth we logged equals the depth the search returned, green. And the hero card is that same table, the 4 depths down the side, the F1 bars in amber, depth 8 lit up as the winner. The bar you see is the number the terminal printed. The figure is just the data frame wearing a nicer coat. Stop pasting numbers into a spreadsheet, let the run remember itself. Next episode, we promote that winning run from a logged experiment to a named version thing your surfing code can ask for by name. H04, the MLflow model registry.